Today I am cooking fried crispy banana. First, I'm going to take out the skin of the banana and I cut into half, then another half, so I cut into four, one banana. Anyway, I'm using this type of banana. In Malay say, kepok pisang. Okay, already cut the banana. So now I'm going to use 3 types of flour. I'm going to use the goreng pisang, is the banana flour. Okay, I'm going to use 1 cup. And this is glutinous rice flour. I'm going to use a little bit, 1/3 of the cup. Okay, this one, 1/3 of cup. Okay, now I'm going to use the rice flour. I use half cup of rice flour. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to add in a bit of pink salt. It's a half teaspoon. Now I will add in water and the flour. Okay. Stir it. Okay, so the flour will be like this. Okay, not too watery, not too thick. Okay, so now I can start cooking. Now we're going to fry the banana. Must have a lot of oil, so it's a deep fry. So the banana I'm going to put inside the flour, like this. Okay. So mix with the flour. And now I will see whether the oil is already hot. A little bit. Okay. Okay, and it's already hot, so I'm going to put the banana. You have to fry it until golden brown. So I just turn it so that my fried banana. Okay, so it's already cooked. Going to take out the banana. Okay, so it's done cooking. let's try the crispy fried banana. With a cup of coffee, I'm going to try my crispy fried banana. Still hot. Mmm. It's crispy. Mm. It's nice. Hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.